Hi, I'm Linda Funk from the Soy Foods Council. Today we're talking about sweets. Who doesn't love a good dessert? And what we're going to show you today is how easy it is to add just a little soy protein into those desserts to make them just a wee bit healthier. So let's talk about how we do that. So certainly, who doesn't like milk and cookies? So a wonderful vanilla soy milk or a chocolate soy milk with your cookies. And these cookies are really special. They have both TVP or TSP, textured soy or textured vegetable protein, one and the same, and some soy flour in it. Now, the hint here is that if your recipe calls for, let's say, 3 cups of oatmeal, you take 1.5 cups of oatmeal and 1.5 cups of TVP. Dry just the way it is and start using it and mixing it into your batter. And it's beautiful. It adds a little bit of crispiness and caramelization to the cookie. The soy flour, what you do have to remember is you can't replace 100% of your all-purpose flour. It doesn't have any gluten in it, so won't allow anything to rise. So the measurement there is this. For every cup of all-purpose flour, you can replace 1/4 to 1/3 with the soy flour, and it'll work beautifully. And again, you're adding soy protein to those baked goods. Then the showstopper is this chocolate mousse. And honestly, all it has in it is the soft silken tofu, some cocoa, powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. You mix it up either with a stick blender or your blender at home, and then you put it into a fancy dish, or you can put it into the graham cracker shells, however you want to serve it. And it's so delicious. Nobody even knows that you're serving soy. So to make this lemon dessert, all you do is take the soft silken tofu, put it in your bowl, blend it so it's nice and smooth. When it's totally blended, then you're going to take a jar of the lemon curd and you're going to add it to the soft silken tofu. A little hint there is I put the jar without the lid of the lemon curd in the microwave for about 1 minute or 2 to soften it up a little bit, so it's a little easier to blend it. So you blend it up, and that lemon curd has such great flavor. It's sweet, but at the same time a little tart. So then, what I would do after I've blended this totally up is put it in the refrigerator just for a little bit for it to set back up, and then you're going to take and put it in your graham cracker crusts. So that's it. Easy to do these really show-stopping desserts. And really, they taste delicious, but they just have a little bit of soy in them for health, too. So with that, have fun and enjoy soy.